Hello and welcome to the East Sonic video. East Sonic is a pen spinning trick originally involving all four fingers excluding the thumb. It was given this name in 2007 by Kronos, most likely due to the finger position resembling that of the East Coast hand symbol. It was almost called Hell's Sonic by the French pen spinning board by popular vote, but was still widely adapted as East Sonic. Not to be confused with Demon Sonic, a hybrid of Sonic to Twisted Sonic making a total of 1.5 rotations. East Sonic is a hybrid of Pass to Twisted Sonic making a total of 1 rotation. Notice the difference in intermediate slots between Demon Sonic and East Sonic. To perform the East Sonic, one begins with a clockwise charge motion in slot 3-4. The pen passes to this slot about a quarter of the way through the charge, known in dot notation as 13.42. It then immediately switches out of this slot and into slot 1-2, continuing the charge motion. A common variation, known as West Sonic, can also be called inverse East Sonic or mirrored East Sonic reverse. Notice the intermediate slot of West Sonic is opposite that of the East Sonic, but the starting and ending slots are the same. The dot notation for West Sonic's intermediate slot is 31.24. Another variation of East Sonic is East Sonic reverse, which spins in a counterclockwise motion. The intermediate slot stays the same. Mirrored East Sonic, spinning in a counterclockwise direction, looks like this. It can also be called West Sonic reverse. Here are some more East Sonic variations. Of course, this video doesn't have every variation, but hopefully it had just enough to get you coming up with your own, and to be able to tell the difference between East and West Sonic properly. Thanks for watching.